I think you are searching about soldering mat, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following thing, are you looking for? Need good quality soldering mat? Need free shipping soldering mat? Looking for heat resistance soldering mat? Looking for widely usable soldering mat? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best soldering mat. Number 1. Kaisi Soldering Mat, and the feature is Type Silicone Repair Mat. DIY supplies, electrical. Application, computer toolkit. Size, 45 into 30 centimeters. Package weight, 0.656 kilograms. Let's go for number 2. ELECALL Soldering Mat, and the feature is Material, silicone. Feature, soldering pad, soldering mat, Solda, soldering pad, heat-resistant silicone pad, soldering station mat. Thickness, about 5 millimeters. Heat resistance, 500 degrees Celsius. Color, blue. Let's go for number 3. VAHIGCY Soldering Mat, and the feature is Material, silicone. Thickness, approximately 5 millimeters. Heat resistance, 500 degrees Celsius. Dimensions, 350 into 250 millimeters. Color, dark blue, gray and black.